Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make $1,000 a month with a really easy method, and this is going to be really interesting. So watch this video till the end so you understand each and every step which I'm going to tell in this video, because if you are going to skip this video, then you are going to miss a massive value which is definitely going to teach you one of the method which will definitely make you some money in 2020. So now let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time, because I know your time is very important and you are very eager to make some money online. First of all, we will go to Google and we will type FIVERR and a affiliates. Okay, so many of the people may know about Fiverr. It's a freelancing platform, and many of the people are thinking that no, we are not going to provide any of the services on Fiverr, but we are going to join Fiverr as an affiliate. Okay, now this is Fiverr affiliate program. All you need to do to join this program is just go over here and just see this start earning now and click on it. Okay, this is the first step. Boom. Okay, now what you have to do is just provide all your information. Just select any of this, whichever you type, company or private, whichever you want. Okay, now just write up your name, your email address, username, password, your country, your phone number, and your Skype. Just pay attention that all the information you provide over here should be genuine information, because you are going to provide your bank details as well as your PayPal details so that you can receive whatever commission you earn from this platform. So this is what you should keep in mind. That's why all the information which you provide over here should be 100% genuine. Okay, so that you can receive the payments. Okay, now Fiverr is one of the legit company which is providing all the services and commissions to affiliates. Okay, now let's check out the commission plan. What are the commission plans and how much money you are going to make promoting this program? Okay, so you can see here that Fiverr has two types of affiliate plans. One is Fiverr CPA, in which you get $15 to $50 of cost per acquisition. Okay, so the person who buys any of the services from Fiverr using clicking on your affiliate link, you get 15 to 50% of CPA. And the second thing is that Fiverr hybrid. I definitely recommend you to go for this Fiverr hybrid, because you are going to earn $10 as CPA, plus you are going to earn 10% of revenue for 12 months, whatever that person buys. So I definitely recommend this second one, because this second one is more very likely to make you very good passive income for a very long period of time. So if you are going to sign up for Fiverr as an affiliate, just go for this one. Okay, and now you can see that by promoting this category such as whiteboard, animation, book writing, okay, you are going to earn up to $50. By promoting all this stuff, you are going to earn $40. If you sell services okay, on this, then you can earn up to $30, and on this you can earn up to $25, and on this you earn up to $15. Okay, so this is not going to apply, because if you are choosing this one, then you are definitely going to get 10% of revenue share of whatever your customer buys. So this is really awesome. Okay, now after doing this, once you have signed up for this Fiverr affiliate program, what we are going to do is we are going to get our affiliate link. Okay, now what you can do is just learn about Fiverr. This is very important. This is no affiliate guru will tell you. That you have to learn, you have to understand what the platform is and how you are going to utilize this platform. This is something really very important, and many of the people just fail because they get confused. They don't understand how to use the platform properly, and due to this, many of the people never earn an affiliate commission. But if you understand the method, if you understand the strategy, you can definitely make some money. Okay, now so first you have to create an account, get your affiliate links. Okay, you may also get some of the marketing links. Okay, then monitoring your campaigns, and this is just after stuff after this, but this is the important stuff, which is get your affiliate links. Okay, this is really important. Once you sign up with Fiverr, you can get your affiliate links over here. Okay, now once you have obtained your affiliate link, then you can promote any of the service which is available on Fiverr. Okay, for example, you are promoting a logo design. Now you have got the affiliate link for logo design. Now where you are going to promote that stuff. This is what now I'm gonna tell you. So watch this video. Okay, so I will be switching a new browser for this. Okay, so we have opened our new browser and now we are going to type Twitter. So many of the people may be knowing about what is Twitter, where Twitter is, and most of you, the people who are my audience, are probably definitely having an account on Twitter. And if you don't have an account on Twitter, I definitely recommend to create one, okay, so that you can apply this method and start earning some money. Let's just go to the Explore tab. Okay, now here, what you are going to type is, I want a logo designer. Okay, and just click search. Once you click on search and let it load, okay. Now you can see here this guy. I want to channel logo titled on my wall stack, and can people own a designer bag, okay. See, I need a graphic designer. I want a new logo banner, okay. Just click on this latest one, because this latest one is people have just questioned just some time ago. So here, okay, now let's go. See, I want a logo made for cheap. Designers DM me. So what you have to do is now go to this section. This is comment section, okay, and you have to reply her. Okay, hey, my buddy owns graphic design company and he provides his services on Fiverr, and you can check it out. Okay, this is what you have to type. This is a script message, okay, which is definitely sent to this person for selling something. Okay, hey, my buddy owns a graphic design company. Why I have written graphic design company? Because this seems more authentic. Okay, that's the reason why you have to write a script. And then okay, there's a spelling mistake over here. Let me correct it. Okay, now check it out, and here you have to provide your affiliate link. For example, I am just typing one random something. Okay, so this is your affiliate link. Just say watch out over here, and what you have to do is just click on reply. And what you can do for extra is that you can just use this image button. Okay, now what you can do is just when you go to Fiverr marketplace, you can find many of the people have their gigs. Okay, in that gigs they have the very good looking thumbnails. Okay, just like on YouTube. Let me show you some of the thumbnails. Now just go to our Fiverr. Okay, now let's type logo design. This is something which I am telling you, which none of the affiliate gurus will tell you, because this is something which is really secret. Okay, now not everyone is going to tell you. Now see, this is very good looking logo, okay, and this is a really good looking image. Now what you have to do is just click over here and save images. Okay, what you have to do is save this image, download it to your computer. Okay, now what you have to do is just click on this image. Okay, and see, your answer definitely becomes stand out. Okay, your answer or your comment becomes a standout comment, because the person comes to know that what type of professional logo designing services he is providing, and here you are providing value upfront. You are also providing the gig. Okay, you are also providing some of the examples to this person, and due to this reason this person is more likely to go to this service and buy this service from here, from your affiliate link which you are going to provide over here. And with this method you can DM almost 10, 15, 100 people a day, as many as you want, and really make some very good amount of money using the Fiverr affiliate program. You don't need to create any of the content, you don't need to do anything. All you need to do is just have some patience and put in some work. Okay, this is just, it took me just 1 minute to write this message for one person. So if I work for 100 minutes, I can just message almost 100 people, and I can just do this regularly, and definitely I'm going to make some sales. And really, it is really a simple method which can definitely earn you up to $1,000 inside income every single month if you are consistently willing to put in some work, and you can definitely make some money. Now let's talk about Fiverr pays you via two methods. One is PayPal and direct wire transfer. So just understand it, these are the two methods with which you can get paid affiliate commission. Now all you need to do is click on the reply. Okay, I'm not going to reply to this because this is my personal Twitter account, and I don't use this for promoting any of the stuff. Okay, because I have some of the friends. Okay, now what you can do is that you can create a Twitter account in the name of some company, and you can just post it, okay, for people, and really people are interested. These are super targeted people who are definitely interested in this services, or they want this services, and definitely they are going to purchase you if you are going to provide them with image as well as all other things. So this is really something which is standout method to some make money really easily, and anyone can do it. Even a 13-year-old or even 5-7-year-olds can do this method, and you can definitely make some good amount of money doing this simple stuff. So if you like my video, if you like my content, just press the like button. Also, I recommend you should check out the other videos on my channel. I have 100 plus videos which will provide you a ton of value about how to make money online. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.